At our previous facilities, we had a lack of heat, a lack of air conditioning, a lack of ventilation.
We're spread all over campus. We had 4 buildings that the 3D area occupied.
Ceramics was actually housed next door. We shared that with shipping and receiving. So one of the challenges in that building was definitely small, truncated rooms and spaces.
It was definitely dated, and you could tell things just needed updating.
EMU has always been a place where creativity thrives. With the newly reimagined Windgate Arts Complex, our spaces now rise to the level of the incredible talent we've long been known for. We are deeply grateful to the Windgate Foundation for helping us create an environment that truly supports the vision and innovation of our faculty, staff, and students.
The Windgate makes it so much easier to teach because we designed the space from the ground up.
The 3D faculty were involved in the design of the building, so we were really able to curate and create the spaces that would best suit our students and our needs.
We put so much care into the way the studios were planned and laid out.
It's easy to say that my favorite thing to do here at the Windgate Arts Complex is give tours. Immediately they look up and say, wow, those are really high ceilings. They're just in awe of each studio.
We have amazing natural light all over the space, and we have this wonderful critique atrium with natural light every day.
We have these broad, big open spaces where students can see what each other are doing and interact in really different ways. The air quality and dust control in the building is of the highest concern and of the highest order.
The architects did a really good job making sure the spaces were arranged so that it could build community. So we have a common space right in the middle of the building, and all the other spaces are sort of spokes off of that.
The students feel really comfortable here. Everyone enjoys being here. They want to stay longer. They want to take another class.
All the 3D stuff is in one building now. Before it was kind of spread out, so it's nice to have everything 3D that's in one spot.
3D design students can see what the furniture people are doing, or see what we're doing in the metal shop, or see what's happening in the clay studio. So they're getting exposure to all kinds of new things.
And it's creating a culture and a momentum here at Eastern in the fine arts that we didn't have in the same way.
We've got everything we need to do any kind of furniture making in this studio. So we have a sewing area now, we have a full machine room, and really nice equipment.
We've added CNC-controlled plasma cutter, CNC wood fabricating machine.
We now have 12 high-end 3D printers. We have a laser cutter and etching machine. We have a full-size auto tool change, 4-foot by 8-foot shop bot. It's no longer a question of whether it's going to work or not.
I hope in my future classroom to have a kiln, to have a ceramics program. So it's really nice in here to see the hand-built classes, the wheel classes. I've actually gotten to help load and unload kilns and run them so that I have that very practical, very applicable knowledge.
Now that we have the Windgate Arts Complex, whatever the students, the faculty can dream, they can build.
One project that was really made possible by Windgate is the bench project. John, in his production furniture class, had a contest to build those benches, and an interior design student won the contest, but then his entire class in production furniture worked together to build 12 benches. That couldn't have happened without support from Game Above and support from Windgate, and those are great common spaces that people use every day in the building too.
I have a student who just showed a piece in the undergraduate symposium. It was large in scale and required a great number of different processes. She really took advantage of the bending, the joinery processes, and upholstery as well. So this project sort of took advantage of all the different areas that we have access to.
The unlimited possibilities of our new Windgate Arts Complex allows for the creativity to go from just thinking about something that could happen to actually making it happen.
The Windgate building is definitely a game changer. It brings a whole group of students together as one community.
It means so much to me that we have a space like this for our students, because I can say without a doubt that what we offer in this facility is of the highest level that they would get at any other institution.
The School of Art and Design at Eastern Michigan University is so proud to have the Windgate Arts Complex. It is a beautiful facility. We are so thankful to the Windgate Foundation for making this dream come true.